Hey guys, nasa New Jersey na kami guys. So it's 9 o'clock. So umalis kami 6:45. No, 5:45. Umalis kami ng 5:45. So nag-stop na kami dito sa sa gas station kasi nagpag-aasak ko, tapos na rin kami stretch at saka umihi. So ayun. So malapit na kaming lumabas ng New Jersey. Papunta na kami ng Philadelphia. So far so good. So maganda yung namin. Come here, tell say hi. So maganda yung driving namin guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. So far so good. So we'll see you guys. Hey guys, we're in New York now. Sana.
Hey guys, we're in New York, just chilling. No, we're not. But we're in the bathroom right now. Fit of the day. Mommy's carpet. I'm literally taller than Mom.
Alright guys, stop tayo. Tatlong oras ko guys, nandikod ko, alas 12 na ng tanghali. So, nasa New York na kami guys, so 3 more hours. Malapit na tayo, mga kulang-kulang 100 miles na lang. So, andun ako muna sa labas. Come on guys, hurry up. Come on, Anatol. Say hi. Anatol sits all the way to the back. Gabby.
Arya. You missed me. Okay.
Oh gosh, it's hot. Alright, let's go. Dito na kami guys. Dito na kami. Wait a second. Nadarating lang namin. Nakapagod. Mag alas 4 na. Tingnan mo na guys yung view.
Vacation. Wait.
Magtutour tayo guys, pero mamaya na. Kakapagod. Ayan, binubuksan pa nila.
We made it after 9 hours.
Ayan. Alright, ayan guys. Dito na kami.
I told.
Put your shoes properly. Right here. Excited na sila guys. So, pasok pahinga muna tayo guys. Mamayaan tayo tapos bukas ituturo kayo.
Cut the camera. Who wants to take a big dump? Bro, where's the bathroom? Arthur, you first. Arthur, it's the dark room. Let's go. It's our room. Okay. What do you mean? This is our room. Arthur, you are dumb. Arthur, we're staying. I know.
There's a bathroom here. Alright. I got it. That's why they put the stuff here so you can put your shoes, right?
Whoa, this is nice.
Bro, mommy. Mom, do you want to be in a room near Arthur and Alto? Yeah, smoke with your too.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go change this in the bathing suit.
Alright guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung nung Buhay. Tapos tignan mo naman guys, ang ganda ng may deck pa. Oh, di ba? Oh my goodness. May tennis court dyan sa baba, oh. Tapos yun dyan lang yung sasakyan namin sa baba. So, which is good. Yay! Mamaya, excited na sila. May kanya-kanyang kwarto. Alright. So, I'm going to take your, I'm going to blur your face.
No, you're fine.
Okay, let's go.
Is it vlogging? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back.
Just say hello.
We just.
But you're so short, but I'm taller than all these kids.
We just got to the resort. And
I'm taller than I'm taller than Arya. I'm taller than Gabriella.
Come on, guys.
Yo,
I'll put our bread
okay,
there.
let's put stuff there.
No, the bread.
Yo, I can do my karate moves.
The bread is dead.
I know.
Arya, look.
Hey, no way.
Whatever.
No way.
And then our chicken that I made last
Hey,
night.
no way.
We get it.
Arthur.
So much fun. And I have more there in the bag, right? The other bag.
You got like meat in there? I didn't know you had meat in
Yeah.
there.
That's why I put
It's
some.
not spoiled?
I have a
Oh, ice?
I have yes, I have frozen.
Mommy, you have a fan in your room. You have a fan in your room.
And then the sausage for tomorrow is sausage, and then yes sir, sausage sausage and a ground beef tonight.
Apples, we gotta keep them on the
Right. And you need to wash it first.
Yo, shit, mommy. You realize that we forgot most of the stuff in the car.
There's another bag. Right
I'm gonna
there.
go change it to mine.
Did you just get in the bag?
No, literally.
There's another bag right there. You see the blue one? Give me that one.
Mommy, I left my suitcase. I know.
No, we're gonna get it.
Wait, at the bed. Let's go.
So we actually have a lot of bread left. So they finished the bread. So I can just put them in the freezer and then we just heat it. Like the fridge, I mean.
I know, but she switched. Because she needs to be near you guys.
Wash your hands first, guys.
Picture.
Wash your hands, let's take pictures. Come on.
No, we're definitely different.
We love it, we love it. It's so cute. I wash my hands. And then, guys, let's go to Ben. What about we're gonna go to Ben and Jerry's? No, we're just gonna took it like really quick. If you.
We can do that wait till.
Mommy, that's not part
Oh
of
yeah,
the
we can do that.
time.
Yeah, fine.
Let's do it after.
Alright guys, since bumaba sila para kuhaan yung mga luggage nila, papakita ko na sa inyo guys kung ano itsura nung bahay, no? So, di ba galing ka doon sa baba, akit ka. Tapos meron siyang maliit na ano dito. Kita mo naman guys, ang ganda-ganda ng view. Ayan. Di ba? Ang ganda. Alright, tapos pagpasok mo dito, meron siyang closet pero nakalagay owner's closet, so hindi natin pwedeng buksan. Maganda yung pagkalagay dito, lagay ng sleeper, tapos meron siyang maliit na bench dito na pwedeng upuan. Ang cute ng mga ano nila, di ba? Tapos ito yung unang kwarto, di ba? Simple lang din siya. Tingnan mo naman yung ganda ng view diyan guys. So baka dito ako siguro dahil mag-isa lang. Tapos ito naman paglabas mo dito, pag galing ka dito, di ba, may unang bathroom. Ayan. Tapos may maliit na shower. Di ba? Tapos meron siyang washer actually, at saka dryer ata to, which is good. Tapos meron siyang mga closet dito, pero ewan ko, hindi ko nabubuksan yan. Tapos meron siyang toilet yan. Tapos ganyan lang siya. Ang cute niya. Tapos, ito, sabi ni Toltol, kay Toltol daw to, sa kakatala gusto nilang dalawa dito sa kwarto.
iPad for entertainment.
Yeah. So,
And mommy,
yeah.
the cool thing is that look. I can turn off the light when we want. And
Yep.
if that's too
No, don't step, please. Don't step on the thing.
Wait, and one more thing, if I want to turn off the fan, I just do that.
No, you can just turn it off here.
No.
You see, there is a thing here.
What is that?
Yeah, but don't touch. I will help you later on, okay? There's like medium, okay? And then, you go here, guys. Mayroon siyang, nagkalat na yung ano namin, mga, tawag dito, yung mga, nagdala kasi ako ng grocery para magluluto na kami instead na bibili ako, di ba? So, yun ang kinuha namin kanina. Tapos, meron pa ditong mga chicheria.
All there is left is
Diba?
just like those water.
Tapos, pagpunta mo dito, guys, ayan yung maliit na table dining. Tapos, ayan yung sala nila. Tapos, meron siyang TV dyan. Tapos, ito guys, ang pinakamaganda din siya. May veranda siya. So, pwede mo siya i-close. Tapos, pag nakatayo ka dito sa veranda, di ba? Ay, sinarado ko. Ano ba yan? Buksan natin. Kung natayo ka dito guys, makikita mo yung napakagandang view dito sa kabila. Di ba? So, oh my goodness, naglabas ng ano doon sa baba. Talaga tong mga to. Mga campers namin bukas, idadrop ko sila bukas. So, ito naman yung isang kwarto. Diba? Ganyan. Tapos, meron silang sariling banyo dito. So, ang cute siya, guys. Perfect. I mean, like, I'd rather have this compared sa ano, diba? Sa hotel. Nag-ano sila ng mga gamit nila sa baba kasi bukas hatid ko sila sa camp. So, tara, Toto, let's go downstairs. No, we have to fix our luggages first. Let's go. Arta is downstairs too?
Huh?
Arta is downstairs too?
Yeah.
Let's go, come on.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I need a sleeper though. In there, in the pocket of my bag.
Bro, where?
Alright guys, so andito sila magsuswimming. Don't go on the far away, yeah?
Yo!
Kanina pa kami ikot na ikot guys. Naghanap kami ng ano, ng place. Ano tol? Meron silang ano dyan sa taas din, no? Exercise, yung exercise. Meron kasi akong period kaya hindi ako makakaligo. Gusto ko sana maligo eh. So meron silang sauna dyan guys. Tapos meron din silang parang steam bath ata yan dyan sa kabila. Yeah, tapos meron silang fitness dito sa taas.
Mommy, look! Mommy!
Yeah.
Cannonball!
No, it's all stay in the 4 feet only, please.
But I just went 6 feet. Look.
That's 3 feet, tol. Alright guys, magluluto na ako guys, pero hindi na ako magluluto ng ng spaghetti. Meron akong chicken na niluto kahapon na parang breaded chicken siya. Initin ko na lang siya, luto na siya. Tomorrow na lang yung spaghetti. Ito na lang yung chicken na lang at saka ito yung lulutuin natin kasi wala na akong oras. Sobrang pagod na ako guys.
You need help? No? Nothing? I can help you like take out the food or anything. What do you need? I can take out the butter. Okay, you're gonna put this. What do I set it on? Oh, no, that's not. Oh, okay. So what do I set it on? Wait, so yeah. How do I open this? Sorry guys, we don't really use a microwave because you know I don't know how to open this up. Wait, just like, is there a button on here?
Butiin to guys, marami akong nagawa nito kahapon. Niluto ko na lahat, sabi kong ganun, buti. Tapos naisipan ko dalhin nga kasi sabi ko baka katulad niyan, magsispaghetti sana ako kaso lang. Sobrang pagod na ako guys. Dahil nga naligo pa kasi sila kaya sabi ko wala na akong oras. Talagang gusto ko na talaga matulog. Magpahinga pa. So, buti na lang ito is luto na. So, initin ko na sa microwave to. Tapos antayin ko na lang yung corn para maluto. So ito, iwanan ko na lang ito sa amin ito for bukas. So ayan na guys. Chicken natin. Antayin ko na lang yan na na maluto yung corn bago ko initin.
Alright, got our water.
Can you put the container in the trash?
Where's the trash can?
Oh. So meron tayong banana guys.
Plates,
So you need to wash this though. Open this and wash.
chips. Oh mom, you can charge your phone. There's a charger over here. Alright, what do you need?
Yeah, put them right. Not yet. Let me give you another thing.
Yeah, I need like. Why don't we just put it on the I like this house. Well, I think is this mold? Guys, comment down below if you think this is mold. Yeah, right here. That looks odd. I'm just gonna put it here for a while.
What do you mean?
Is this mold?
That's how the
Alright.